Hey y'all, and welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina, and my kitties just left me. I don't know, they've been sitting in the window all morning, and now they decided to get down because I was going to film this little haul I've got. Alright, y'all, this was pretty cool. I ordered this particular eyeliner from Nordstrom, and they were running a deal that if you bought it, you got 3 free products. Samples. But still so cool, because you know I love trying new things. I love trying new products, especially beauty, because I'm still learning how to do all this stuff. And a lot of my tips and tricks I get from other YouTubers. Now, the reason I got this particular eyeliner is because of another YouTuber. I saw it on her channel. It's Beauty Has Been. It's Michelle the mama and Charlotte the daughter. They are so sweet. I love them to death. I can't say enough sweet things about them, y'all. Go check them out if you haven't watched them already. They show you different products. They show you how to put it on. I love it. So they showed this product. Chantecaille, I believe that's how you pronounce it. You know I'm not good at that. It's Brightening Eye Kajal, K-A-J-A-L. It is super cool. I mean, it's like an eyeliner, but you put it on the inside of your eye. Like, you put it right through here. I actually have it on today. Let me pull you closer so I can show you a little better. All right, I can almost see. Whoa, hello. So, while I was at my mom's, I took my light so I could film the winner of my collaboration contest. I lost a few pieces of my light while I was traveling. So that's why I just did that turn. Alright, so what she showed me, I'm gonna have to turn this light down because it's too bright for me to see. Stop it, light. It's gonna turn. Is you just take it and you put it right here, and it just brightens your eye up just a little bit. It's in a nude color. But y'all, is that not cool? Now, she said to dab off your waterline a little bit before you did this, just so it makes it look, it's a little more dry when you put it on. And then you put this on. So cool. I will put a link below. But yeah, super cool. I love the product. I love it. It just opens your eye up just a little bit. I think that's great. So, let me see how much that was. I think I showed you the box already, but I will show it again. I hope it's focusing. Whoa, there goes the box. Let me see how much I paid for it. See, it's in nude. It does not say how much I paid for it. Hang on, I'll look it up. Okay, I paid $29 for it, which is a lot more than I would normally pay for something like this, but I think it will last a long time because you're just putting a dab here and a dab there. So, I mean, granted, there's, you know, an expiration on it. Let's see, 24 months, 2 years. So yeah, I think I'll use it in 2 years. I think I will get my $29 worth in 2 years. So I am excited about that. And then I got to pick 3 samples. Drop it, everything. I got to pick 3 samples, and let me see, are they all L'Oreal? No, I don't think so. I got to get this Lauramercier Secret Camouflage Concealer Duo Stick sample. So, you know, I bought a duo stick. I haven't even tried it yet. I haven't been brave enough yet. I'm gonna try some stuff tomorrow, and I'm gonna, I don't know, may FaceTime my sister while I'm trying it, just so I can see if I'm doing stuff right and see what she thinks and if I'm getting the right colors, because my sister's better at that than I am. She's really a lot better at makeup than me. She taught me a lot when I first started wearing makeup. Anyway, this is what it looks like on inside. Now you can see there are all these different colors, And I guess this is what you get. You know, this pen will have these colors, this pen will have these colors. Of course, I don't think I could wear those colors. I am so fair, you know. Well, I don't know. I mean, I got a little tan when I was at my mama's, but not much. I thought it was going to be burnt yesterday when I was out there planting those plants. But luckily, it didn't stay. I'm easy to burn, y'all, being so fair. But it kind of tells you what to do. Here's your little samples. And the ingredients are on the back. So, of course, I didn't pay anything for that. The next one is Fresh Soy Face Cleanser Sample. This is one of their best sellers. It's one size, no color. Soy Face Cleanser. Y'all, I am looking for a really good cleanser. So, this is something I have been wanting to try, some more cleansers. If you have a really good cleanser, you know, a really good, something to take makeup off, something to clean your face. I know a lot of times you have to do those separate. Let me know what you use. So, here is what that looks like. Hope it's focusing. It's just a little sample size, but I'm so excited about that. Now this one is Lilabo Shower Gel Basil Sample. So that is cool. A little bitty shower gel. Basil. I mean, doesn't that sound like it smells so good? Oh my goodness. I'm excited to try this too. And I will try to remember after I try them to, you know, pop on here and do a little update or something to tell you what I think about them. But I was super thrilled to get those samples. And now I want to go to Nordstrom and get more makeup so I can get more samples. Because I know a lot of times if you do buy, you know, more expensive stuff, they'll give you a pack of things, you know, a certain amount of stuff. If, you know, like I said, L'Oreal, or let me just see if I can find on here. All right, yeah, right here on the home screen. Choose a free gift with your $39.50 Estee Lauder purchase. At $150 value, promo code required. So yeah, I mean, just right there on the front, on your homepage, just look around a little bit. You can find some codes and get some free stuff. I think that is awesome. Y'all, I hope you enjoyed this little bit I shared. Y'all, have a wonderful day and God bless.